Hi, this is Bob. I just wanted to give you kind of a overall thing on the chickens I did. I got these chickens, these Cornish crosses. I got 12 of them. I lost one during the process. It just died or something. I don't know what happened to it, but sometimes it happens when their bodies are growing so fast. But I weighed them each week, and about the fourth week, a little bit into the fourth week, into the fifth, I decided it's time to butcher them. And so I showed you, the butchering process. I grabbed the one chicken at a time. I took them around the inside of the house, and I chopped their heads off. And I put into the scalding water that's 140 degrees. And the idea there is to keep it in there no longer than you have to, because you don't want the skin to cook on him and that stuff. So 140 is okay. And then about 35 seconds or something like that, which count to yourself. I did. You reach down and grab one of the big feathers on the wings, and they come off. Then you pull them out and you dunk them immediately into the cold water. Cool them down immediately. Stop any cooking of the skin. That stuff. Get them all cooled down. You take them over to the plucking area, and you pluck the chicken into the barrel, keeping all your feathers in one spot and what have you. And every once in a while, you duck it into big cold water that you have next to it to clean off the feathers and stuff like that. Then when you get it all plucked out real good, you immediately put the chicken, when the time being, into an ice cooler like I did, with ice in it to cool them down, keep them cool before I got them all gutted. So about 7 or 8 hours or something like that, maybe 9 almost. I had them all the chickens done. Did it all by myself. Did 11 of them, and did them all by myself. And then the gutting of the chicken only took, if you've seen the video on it, that my wife was holding the camera at the time and I was doing the gutting, you see that I gutted that chicken out and had him ready to go in probably 3 or 4 minutes or less. It didn't take long at all. Then I went after usually the liver, the gizzard, and the heart. And sometimes I didn't get I only got about 4 or 5 gizzards out of there because the others weren't developed, enough to use them. The livers looked good, the hearts looked good, things like that. And then what I did after that, I went and gutted them out and cooled them down again. I stuck them in these plastic containers into the spare refrigerator that we had, and all 11 went in there. And they sat in there for 48 hours. And after 48 hours is when I took them out. And then I vacuum sealed them in bags. And then I weighed them, put them in the freezer. At that point I could have sold some fresh, whatever, but that didn't happen. So we got them in the freezer right away, ready to go. And that's the process. And anybody has any questions, just feel free to ask me. If you want to email me or something, and that's it.